What's it going to take to sell your Las Vegas home in today's real estate market? Well, there's an old way that realtors use to sell real estate, and then there's the way that your agent should do it now. Hi, I'm Dalal with Urban Nest Realty. Today, I want to share with you a little history lesson so you know exactly what to look for from your future listing agent. If you enjoy this video, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button for more Las Vegas real estate advice and news. Okay, ready for the history lesson. Well, in the old days of selling real estate, agents would implement what we call the old 3 Ps. That would be place a sign in your yard. They would put it in the MLS, and then they would pray that it sells. And the truth is, sometimes, especially in a strong seller's market, the old 3 Ps are enough to get an offer. But they're never enough to get the best offer, the one that gets top dollar for your home in the time frame that you want with the conditions that you need. And that's why today we follow what we call the new 3 Ps of selling real estate. And they are: number 1, preparation, which is getting the right things ready so buyers will value your home's features. Number 2 is pricing, which is what will bring in quality offers and prevent your home from sitting on the market indefinitely. And 3, promotion, which is marketing your home on and offline to generate the highest possible amount of buyer interest. Following the new 3 Ps is my secret potion. I'd love the opportunity to show you exactly how I will prepare, price, and promote your home to sell in this current market. So reach out for a free consultation to learn more. I hope to talk to you soon, and I will see you next time.